Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to create highlights on Facebook. So I will show the step-by-step process of doing it. It should work on your Android as well as iOS device. So let's start it. First of all, you have to open your Facebook apps. Then you have to click on three line at the top right corner. From here you have to click on your profile. Then you have to click on three dot option. Then this interface will come. From here you have to click on story archive. From here you will see your Facebook story. So if you click on the three dot or the top right corner, then create highlights option will come. From here you have to click on create highlight. Then you have to select your images you want to add as your highlight, story highlight. So I'm selecting this image and this image. Then you have to click on next. Then if you wish, you can add any title in this way. Then if you click on save, then this will be add as your highlights on Facebook. Okay, so I'm just clicking save. Then it will add as your Facebook view profile. If you go, then you will see, then you can see this is add as your story highlights. Okay, if you wish, you can edit from here as well. So there is another way I'm showing you to create highlights on Facebook. Suppose you have to go to your profile and add the create a story option. From here you have to select any image you want to add, you want to highlights. Suppose I'm using this image. From here, if you first of all you have to share to your story. Then when it's uploaded, after adding a story, if you open, then you have to just click on highlights. Then it will add as your highlights. Okay, so this is another way you can add highlights. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.